And they're on their way. Prince Carlo, just like it. Lord Gold is running by the rail. Then on the outside, landed Visa, while Cool Turner is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 800, just like it, leading the field, followed by Prince Carlo. Moving up now is Landed Visa, Lord Gold second last, and Cool Turner heading towards the last 600, just like it, still leading the field, followed by Landed Visa on the outside, then racing in third, closing in is Lord Gold and Prince Carlo. Cool Turner as the action kicks to the last 450, just like it, running by the rail. Landed Visa is on the outside, Lord Gold is on the outside, Landed Visa, just like it, Lord Gold remains in third, Prince Carlo, just like it, still leading the field over Landed Visa, Lord Gold, with the last 75 meters, just like it, Prince Carlo to take second, and finally, just like it, Prince Carlo, Landed Visa, Lord Gold, Cool Turner,